Hey, good morning. Today's quiet click is something called inevitability thinking. I think I came across this from Eben Pagan for the first time. I'm not sure who it was. I think it was him. But it's just a subtle shift in how we think about getting bigger projects done, like larger picture projects. And instead of looking at the end result and trying to engineer the steps toward it, it's the process of asking what daily consistent behaviors would lead inevitably to that result I want. And the two questions are the two different approaches are very related. And one is sort of a top down approach, and the other one is more of a ground up approach. And they both work and they're both valid. But for me, the texture of the ground up approach just seems more useful. It works better for me. And that ground up approach is that inevitability question, which is what daily behaviors could I do consistently that would inevitably lead to that result? Now, something that's kind of helpful when thinking about that is to extend your time frame of how long you expect this thing to take. And I think that inherent in that very component of this is kind of the secret to why this works. And that is because this bigger project is probably going to take longer than you think it's going to anyway. So it's more useful, instead of trying to look at this deadline, looking at the component daily behaviors and focusing on those instead, because that deadline, that end result, might take longer than you think it's going to. So a focus on the granular rhythm of those daily behaviors, knowing that while it may take some time, these behaviors will inevitably lead to that end result that I'm looking for. And that approach it's sort of the tortoise and hare thing, I think, but it really, really kind of puts my mind at ease and puts me in the right frame of mind for persistence over the long term. So maybe give that a try and ask yourself what daily consistent behaviors would inevitably lead to this end result that I'm looking for. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.